Building a gaming PC with a budget of $20,000 is quite challenging, but you can still assemble a decent entry-level setup. Here's a list of components you might consider. 1. Processor CPU, AMD Ryzen 3 3200G, or Intel Core i3-10100. Approximate cost, $8,000. 2. Motherboard, AMD Ashoka 320M HDV, or Gigabyte A320M S2H, Intel Gigabyte H410M, or Ursus H410M. Approximate cost, $4,000. 3. RAM, 8 GB DDR for single stick. Approximate cost, $3,000 to $4,000. 4. Storage, 240 GB SSD for faster load times. Approximate cost, $2,500 to $3,000. Optional 1 TB HDD for additional storage if budget allows. 5. Power supply PSU, 450W PSU 80 plus certified. Approximate cost, $2,000. 6. Case, basic mid-tower case. Approximate cost, $1,500. 7. If budget permits, consider a used entry-level GPU like GTX 1650 may exceed budget. This setup should allow you to play many games at lower settings and resolutions.